Liberia, ravaged by 14 years of civil wars, faces a crisis that runs deep. Water security shattered, public services broken, infrastructure demolished. Monrovia, the wettest capital city in the world, was once fed by 2 raw water sources, but now, as a result of poor infrastructure, faces dire risk of flooding. Monrovia lacks sufficient water treatment facilities and basic sewerage, which has had catastrophic effects on the community. Liberia's literacy rate is just under 50%. The country's journey to recovery hinges on engineers from overseas. In 2018, Nicolas O'Dwayer was commissioned by the Millennium Challenge account Liberia to design and replace the raw water pipeline that once supplied Monrovians with a vital water supply. The complex project aimed to ensure that water could be conveyed by gravity from the hydro dam to Monrovia's water treatment plant. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, our teams persisted, ensuring water access. Liberia requires substantial investment in its water network to reduce waterborne diseases. Raise your voice to help secure funding for this essential infrastructure and demand access to this basic human right for Liberia's people.